Welcome to Flowing Mobility. I'm Susan Thompson, your Tai Chi instructor, and today I'm going to teach you about the 18 Qigong for health and wellness. Just first, a few safety measures. One, whenever we do lunge forward, make sure that your knee does not go past your toe. Always move within your comfort, so when you move, you don't push into a range that you're uncomfortable. So for example, if I can go this far, then I'm only going to go this far. So 70% of your available range of motion is what you should do. It's unlike any other form of exercise. We don't push into pain. We always work to make it comfortable and easy. And by doing that and remaining within our comfort zone, we actually allow and create an environment for our body to heal. So having said that, let's move forward with our lessons in Qigong. And thank you for joining me at Flowing Mobility.